Hello viewers, I hope you all guys are doing well. Now our topic is list of the high level computer languages. In this article we shall check some high level computer languages for the bank exam. Questions related to the various high level languages have been asked in the part of the bank exam, and one of the most important topics from the examination point of view. There are the three major parts of the bank exam are conducted. They include bank PO, bank clerk, bank SO. Now is today's world everything is computerized. In the banking sector is also getting computerized because it work more easier and faster to deliver to stage a huge database. The bank needs storage device of the huge memory, and the maintain the storage devices. These need the people who are good at the handling these equipments. People are good at the DMC, database management system. To make the working paper free, fast and efficient, the bank will need application software and maintain them. They will also need the IT professional and also good at the programming. A programmer written in any of these languages and the particular computer can easily be used on the another computer. To know more about important terms of the computer awareness for the bank, check the link article. Check out the other important computer awareness topic given in the table below, and Excel is the upcoming SBI, IBPS and the RBI and bank exams. Computer hardware and the software question, computer network, types of the computer, fundamental of the computer, cloud computer for the IBPS PO and the SBI PO exam. 10 important computer awareness terms. Important high level computer language for the bank exam preparation. Now C language. C language is the general purpose computer programming language. It was created in the 1970 by the Daniel Richard, and it remained very widely and the influenced by the design. C has featured cleanly reflect the compatibility of the computer CPUs. It has found lasting use in the operating system device drivers protocol stack through decreasing for the application software. It was designed by the Dennis Ritchie, developed by the Dennis Ritchie and the Bell Labs for expansion in C. Example of the Hello World C. The expansion of the C++ is the form of the C language. C is not an object-orient language. C is the used to the write system software application software. Java. JavaScript, offer abbreviation JS, is a programming language that is one of the core technology of the World Wide Web alongside HTML and the CSS. As the 2022 98% of the web use JavaScript on the client side for the web page behavior, often incorporating third-party libraries. All the major web browsers have a dedicated JavaScript engine to the execute code of the user's device. Java was developed by the James Golson as the Sun Microsystems. File extension Java example Hello World Java. After Oracle bought Sun, Oracle became the owner of the Java. Android application can be developed using the Java. This is the object-oriented programming language. Java is not platform dependent. SQL. SQL is a domain-specific language which is used for the programming and design managing data held in the relation database management system or for stream processing in a relationship data system managing system. SQL stands for the Structural Query language developed by the IBM. SQL became a standard of the ANSI, American National Standard Institute, in 1986, used for the database related work. HTML. HTML is the standard marker language for the document designed to be displayed in the browser. It can be assisted by the technology such as the casting style sheets and the scripting language such as the JavaScript. HTML stands for the hypertext markup language developed by the WC3 and the WG. While extension HTML and the HTML example of the Hello World or the HTML, the Hello World HTML used to the mark website. HTML is a scripting language. Visual Basic. The original Visual Basic is the third generation event-driven programming language for the Microsoft known as the Component Object Mode Programming. Model is releasing in 1991 and declared legacy during 2008